Today I'd like to talk to you about a portable electric sander. Let's take a moment and talk about how to load the sandpaper onto your sander. I have two different models here, or two different manufacturers, but they both load the same way. Basically, it's rather simple. There's a release here. We're going to release one side, and then we'll open up the other side. And what we're doing is we've opened up these little grippers there. And what we're going to do is we're going to take our sandpaper, stick it in just a little bit, make sure it's lined up properly. And then we'll close it. Now we'll flip it over and we'll install the other side. Tuck the paper in and then pull it closed. There, now your sander is loaded and ready to use.